My friends, welcome back to another episode of What Could It Be Now? What could it be now? I don't know, we're going to find out. This is Nicholas Villars here, one half of the Beast and Pop duo known as Superdivorce, here with my young son Lazarus to hand me today's box. Please, today's box, Lazarus.
Careful, because there's something really fragile in there.
There's something really fragile in here, he says. I'll find out. Got my box here. Just go ahead and do this. Says there's something really fragile inside. And what could it be now? It could be... Hey, you guys remember this? I talked about this on the channel before. This is a graphic novel called Pizza Tree. Chase Poulton and Mark Poulton. Mark actually has worked on a comic book that we did a little featurette on. I'd say a little featurette on this channel for Graveyard Shift. Mark is associated with Graveyard Shift. I saw when I was looking up information about him that he had done this book with his son, and it seemed like it was a lot of fun and something that I would have fun reading along with my young boy here. Lazarus, you looking forward to reading this?
That looks funny.
It's called The Pizza Tree. So we're gonna have fun reading this one. Maybe we'll do a review later after we get through it. Yeah. Okay. Well, there it is. That's what it could be today. That's what it was. It was The Pizza Tree, and for those with a taste for horror, Pizza Tree. So maybe look into this yourself and see if you can go ahead and grab yourself a copy. Nice, sturdy construction here. This is a good presentation. I like this. I like this a lot. Good artwork on the inside. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun read. Okay, until next time, y'all take real good care. Okay, bye-bye. My friends, we are Superdivorce, a synth pop duo with a full-length album called Action Figures. You can listen to it on many streaming platforms, including Spotify, where you can follow us and keep up to date with all of our tunes. If you like what you hear, why not pick up a copy of Action Figures on CD, cassette tape, or vinyl record at superdivorceme.com and grab a Superdivorce Rules t-shirt while you're there too. And hey, while you're here, please make sure that you've liked this video, sub to our channel, and bong the gong for notifications. We go live here every single day, so don't miss out on your chance to join us in real time for chats and the latest in pop culture news. We have a fantastic community, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. On top of daily vids and some rad tunes, we also produce a weekly podcast called the Superdivorce Supercast with new episodes every Friday, as well as a comic book review show called Super Fanatics, a horror movie review show called Super Scary, some video game streaming, and a Star Wars review called Sequential Star Wars, in which I, Nicholas, and my good brother Andrew review the Star Wars films and TV shows in sequential chronological order. And with the shilling complete, please look forward to another video here on the official YouTube channel of Superdivorce.
We gonna go viral with this one.